Umuntu akhangalali ubukeka kanje. This fresh. Ishushu nje. Ishushu bale. Ready to serve breakfast, Sanalam Aslan up. Oh. This is me, Gesana, in the streets of Emont. I had to deliver a parcel, guys. I had to deliver a parcel. So ebengekho sure nge-directions zasendlini, so anyanzeleka ndimkhawulele. This is how I look. Kumoya, because I'm not sure if they are vakala or what, but it's a brand new day. Molweni, guys, Molweni family. It's been a long time. Guys, I am so sorry I'm scared. Take a shower, in fact. So, today it's what? It's Saturday. I think the time is past 9. Yeah, it's Saturday. Yeah. I have this. I love so much, guys. So guys, let me wash, then we'll talk. Sana wabanga amali Hi guys. Oh, angisembi. Continue. Guys, in this guys spa. And then I forgot to vlog my biggest spa. But I tried. So I want to show you guys what I went to buy today. Things are expensive, but guys, I am sorry in the background. In late kitten improbably. And then I hope it makes sense. I don't know. But I want to show you guys what I bought. First one to Clicks. Two. And then I've got chocolates. And then a paper for a washing. Then I bought these were for 50 rand. I bought this. It's also 50 rand. Good for a stretch marks and whatsoever. I'm gonna mix it with this and the Magnolia tissue oil. It's a lot. I bought this very cute 15 rand. I want to decorate my room, okay guys. The color mission, so and then you buy 2 and get 1 free. Yeah, Tenga next year. And then I bought this towel. It was 55 rands at Pep. And then I wanted to buy this, the one that I was ironing earlier on. Guys, it's for a double bed. So I thought it's on but I'm again because this bed is a queen bed, and then you're gonna get double bed. So I'm gonna take it home. And then I have this one. It was 120. And then I bought. Remember, guys, I told you that, and these one pillowcases that I have. So I bought this true standard continent, super soft continental pillowcases. So it's 40 rand each. So I want a different color that's gonna blend with this white. No, even all white. Okay. Then favorite of them all. Turn that down, get some. It was 80 rands. I bought it at Pep Home. Love it so much. Then I bought these 2 for my smaller nyana. I bought this. It's very nice. It's a velvet, and then it's a 40 rand each. So I bought 2. Since I have 2, I'm not sure whether it's caterpillars or what, but yeah. Mission to fix my room. And then I got myself this. So cute, this one. It's a book. It's a diary, in fact. It's 40 rand. It's 20 rands. And then what wipes. Ooh. And then I bought this diffuser. It's 25 rand. It smells nice. What else? The last one. Wait, guys. And then you corner in your shop, able to work with a fantasy. People will know it's a Chinese shop. I bought this hangers. I think it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 for 20 rands. Guess some. And then I got myself this. This one is for window. Black plastics for umgomo. And then I bought this extension for matching with panda. So you have to have a long extension so you can plug it a kitchen like that. So yeah. And then another buying meters. It is 20 meters. Yay! You know my English, but it's 90 rights. So I don't know. We'll see about that. Guys, that's it for today. So housemates I think I'm gonna do my schoolwork. I don't know. The mood I Bobby, I don't know. Oh, and then man. Mood, I don't know, guys. I will see. But let me just say, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna cook together if that's possible. The problem is, guys, I can't cook with you, because Sunday it's a busy day for us. So you watching, cooking and whatever. But ananyama yopheka homes, I couldn't get a spa. I want a red meat beef. So Ulindo will go a Browns tomorrow. So I think it's naye to see if andizokwazi na ufumana inyama. Until then, guys, I'll see you when I see you. Good morning, guys. Whoa, son. Izinto zamashwa. Guys, izolo ndithathe i-footage engakanani banintsi. Like, there was a lot happening, making up my bed. Like, gone, son. I don't know what happened. Guys. Oh, son, ndiyagowa ndasekhaya, but ke guys, molweni. Oh, son, I missed saying that. Molweni family. Happy Sunday. Today it's Sunday, 15th March 2026. Yes. I don't know why I've got so many pimples. Didn't check, guys. Today it's Sunday. The time is past 8. I woke up very early today. Get to 6 late. I mean, exing. They're gonna go washing young because a line iyagcwala. Firstly, secondly, iline iyagcwala Sundays. Abantu balapha bayathanda usebenza Sundays, washing, all that. So I had to leqa space so that impahla zami zizokhawuleza ngome phandle. So now I'm gonna make up my bed. Guys, ndiyagowa sana. Footage sana. And I was also briefing you guys about like I'm waiting for my order. A headboard. So excuse me if ubone dongele mntaka. Nam das guy, I have no control over it. Life was emrentweni. So I'm trying to get something ezocoverisha up. So I'm waiting for that. Today Sunday, as I said. Guys, I'm sorry if it's upside down. I'm still getting on my feet, and I had if footage when this started some other days where I felt like in front of vlogger, but and go happy camera phone and Nikki vibes ezingekho. So that's why I don't like vlogging, because I feel like ingathi nditheni na nje yabo. So ndinazo footages that I took. Sana, I'm so sorry. But next time I'll do better. I will do better next time. So it's upside down vlog yam ngoku. And today I'm gonna cook. And go sure if nzopheka nani, I will see, guys. because where I stay it's more like a commune. So kuyaphithizela Sundays, everyone is cooking in the kitchen and go and funny crowd abantwana babantu espacini sabo like ndibe ndivloga bevela kwi-videos mhlawumbi omnye is not comfortable yebo. So yeah man, I don't know, but we will see guys, we will see. For now ndizokondlula and then ndihlambe, then have something to eat, ndilinde u-10 o'clock phakathi ecaweni. So yeah, I'll see you guys, I don't know when, but today is the last day the vlog and I'm gonna maneuver post a video so that guys, let me say this in case I've been a chance to say it again. Guys, please don't forget to like. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Oh, guys. And I don't want to do motivation, Shem. I don't want to lie. Getting any motivation on the other side. Yo, who subscribe below, or unsubscribe. But it's not a bad thing, it's fine. So if you like this video, please like, please subscribe so that you can see me. Please ask a friend of a friend to like and subscribe and join the family. Guys, I need a support kesana so much. I don't know, but yeah man, forward we move for son. And this one guys, I'm gonna try and entertain the family that I have for now. Guys, I couldn't do it wrong. Anyways, let me go. It's already 5 minutes over the date. Let me go. Otherwise, we're still gonna talk, man, guys. Oh, there's a lot happened, but yeah, with God, everything is possible. Yeah. So I'll see you guys. For now, masondlule ngizakondlula nani, ningangijaji bese ngitshila. So I don't know what is wrong with this phone, son. The timetable I'm there, guys. I'm a student. Hey, I don't know. The phone iwile uphoka, so it's giving me problems. Anyways, I love liqheka amakhulu wami. Ngizohlamba ngoku. Yabo. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Hey, sanana phone up. Bakuphelele up. Ndiklinile kunuka. Then guys, it's a Friday. It's a Friday. See, we are at Cash Crusaders. Yeah. Is that Cash Crusaders? Yeah, it's Sana Snow Park. Snow Park, but we're going there, guys. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, nothing much. I'll see you another month. Don't talk, let's do 2 minutes up. Ufuze udodi. Guys, this is a Zaza Beach. Usisters is on Tara Chatanga, Yotenga matching. Okay. Sisi, are you married? I know.
No, I'm not.
What do I look at? What's in the Baba?
I'm not. God again. Please tell me,
Yoko? Oo, ano? Ako pala live. Pala live,
Bella. What is this mislead you have? Must be nice. I put this one guys.
Food. Put it down, son.